Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with a REALME C30. So right here I have the charger. We'll be connecting it to this GOSUM smart socket right here, and it will tell us exact statistics on this device right here. So now let's plug in this charger. From here, wait about 30 seconds and we should see stabilized statistics. So here we have them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.